it is. This thing was buried, you know, up almost to the bottom there. It had sunken in the ground, and we had a fun time towing it out. But not bad. I mean, it's got, you know, it's had seen better days, of course. It smells like, you know, nests in here, but it'll clean up good. Overall, it's really pretty decent for what it, you know, for the time it sat there. You parked it, it was running, and that was it. Got mud wasp, lovely. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's got some, you know, major repair to be done. Yeah, this was where it was pretty bad. But yeah, overall, it's not too bad. As you can see, got another one there. And then camper over here is also a bus. Well, at first we thought we got one out, and then we realized it just stripped right off of there. So that's going to be interesting to get out of there. Might end up having to take the head off. I'm not even going to put the impact back on this one, even though it wasn't even torquing it that much. No. You know.
Yeah.
So that's kind of funny. Well, you can do it then. Well, I guess you should have did this one, huh? Yes, you got lucky. So that is going to be...
That did break.
Okay, yeah, that broke there. That's what broke on me when I was torquing on it when I stopped. But yeah, I don't know.
Good little spark lighter still. You can hook it on. It still has the tip.
Yeah. Maybe an easy out might get in there. And... Can I see your flashlight for a second?
Yeah. Terrible.
That doesn't matter. I just need a little extra light. Ah, I see what you mean. Can you see down in there? Huh, yeah, you can see right into the...
Yeah, the little
right
tip
to
of
the
the...
rig. Yep, that's one.
That one might do it. But that needs to be heated up very much first.
Yeah, more heat, and we'll see what we can do. Nothing like playing with fire. Try to heat this up before we try the easy out. Anybody got some hot dogs? Marshmallows? There's a brave spider here somewhere. Look at him. He was walking over by the flames. All right. Wow, look at that. It's on fire.
Yep. Still heating.
Well, if you're going to stop, I'll keep the heat on it. I'm doing two things at once here. All right. Can't really. Is it turning?
I think it's still going in.
Yeah.
No. No, it feels like it's about.
Now it's about grabbing. Now it's about ready. Interesting. Gosh.
Got some torque on her.
Yeah.
I don't know that. Maybe. I think I got her. She just came around. I might have something here.
Yeah. I'll tell you here in a second, because I'll see that thing moving. Oops, shit. Try the camera shot and light and
Lighting, camera guy, and freaking holder. Dude.
and narrate. Oh,
Narrator, there you go.
I get it. Yep, it's there. We got it.
Something's happening.
Yep, it's turning. Yep.
Scared.
There
I
we go.
was scared.
There we go. Not bad. Good job.
It felt like it was right at the point where it's either going to break or move, and it moved.
Right? Yeah, is you're gonna sit there, start tearing it and
Yep.
shredding it.
I think the heat definitely helped a lot.
Yeah, for sure.
Huh. Huh.
Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty bad.
Whoa. What am I looking at? Is that the washer? Okay. Like the
Oh,
washer
that's
to
that
it.
was the washer.
Yeah, look at that. So it came out pretty clean.
Yeah,
Phew. Lucky Millbar.
yeah. Threads don't look too bad.
That's not even that hot. I can hold that still.
Vacuum that out.
Yeah. I'm gonna put a spark plug back on that for a second.
And you said you already got these loose. Yeah, those are loose.
Yeah.
Cool. Only this still has good paint on that side for the
Right.
what's there, the valve cover.
Yep.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
That's awesome.
It'll run.
That means you didn't have to freaking get a full breakdown.
Yeah. Didn't have to take the head off.
Yep. Watch your eyes.
Yep.